Welcome to Christmas in Springboro. We're coming down. We're going to walk the walk, see what we see. It'll start out with the carnival like it did last year. They might have that wild swing for the kids coming down, which was absolutely crazy. We'll see. Little bouncy houses here. They have the same kids play area they had set up last year. Oh, and here's the one I'm talking about. They let the kids fly at an incredible speed down this. They catch them at the last possible minute. It looks dangerous as can be.
Oh, it's a zip line.
Oh, but this one is, if I recall, it was absolutely wild. They flipped like they almost did a 360 loop when they stopped. Okay, let's see if they come down just as fast and if they almost do a 360 when they stop. It's the most wild stopping one I've ever seen. I remember it last year. Oh, and there's two victims. Let's watch them, shall we? Okay, these two were a little more controlled, even though a little bouncy and wild up and down. Well, I mean, yeah, I mean, go to what you want to use. Oh, well, there's the counterbalance. I'm sure that's strategically counted. Throw a number of bags on there. Let's see if it's enough. We have food places. We have tents. Okay.
I mean, this is why it's hard to go back to a DSLR. The lighting in that is perfect. I think they are. She did belly dance that.
Photograph most of the way down. We'll do some video on the way back. We have Santa Claus in town with his kids. There's Santa greeting the children. And another wonderful house here in Springboro. So here we are in one of the craft tents. They come in, they're selling different things. It's inside, got heat, which is cool for the people. And it goes all the way back. Not really interested, just want to get a few shots. So all kinds of different crafts. So they lit the tree, and they got people pretended to sing, but not. It's darkened up a lot. So it is a nice evening down here in Springboro. It's probably down in the 40s now, but it's a great atmosphere. The wind ain't bad, and feels good. It's not raining. You want get something. Oh, look at that line. I don't want to get it now. As soon as I ask and I look at the line, I'm like, no, I'd prefer not to. I will stand in line with you.
All right,
and I will get it.
Zinks. I'll get Zinks and get some that
Hey.
I know that's not.
But now that line, no. But that one, I would stand in line with you. So we're in a craft tent again. Hello. No, we kind of just got to look at the booze as we walk by because it's a steady Congo line. Good earrings if you have pierced ears. Fun earrings. I'd have had these as a kid. Oh, neat. Yep. I actually have those type things, containers.
I was tired of showing people my phone.
I have a lot of these type pens. Not a lot, but probably about 5.
So I just pulled out my little laser.
My son makes pins. I've been looking for another Christmas gift.
Oh. People are, it's a big deal. Smart move. Take advantage.
It's like, yeah, that church looks familiar.
There we are. We're in another craft tent.
I didn't know it still existed.
No, that's what I mean. It has to be because. Sorry, Santa. I've been feral. More animals. Got more. Oh, they are.
That's pretty too. I'm really having a good time with that.
Well, I saw that, and then you put some up on Etsy.
I sold all of them. And I'm shocked. To be frank, I'm shocked. I'll let you sell it. Try to catch all of
As the generator amps up for each little push and the squeakiness of the wheels. Oh, that looks great, honey. Some of the kids enjoying the merry-go-round or carousel, whichever. And here we go. The kids getting ready to go down the fun slide as well. We're getting ready to wrap up. It was just a nice little walkthrough. We did not catch the parade this year or that, so we just caught it in the evening time, which is nice. Thanks everyone for watching the 2025 Christmas in Springboro, Ohio. It was a nice festival and had a great time. I've got more videos coming soon, so stay tuned to see what's next. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe. And don't forget to like, comment, and hype the video to help others find it. I post videos from events, music, and things to do all around Miamisburg and beyond, so come back anytime to see what's new. I'm Miamisburg J, sharing real people, real places, and real stories. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.